Hello, childrens. Welcome to Smart Start Learning Live. Today, we will learn time. Our today's objectives are tell the time by looking at the clock, distinguish between past the hour and to the hour, a clock is used to read time. Every clocks have two thick needles. They are known as hands of clock. These are hands of clock. Shorthand tells about hour. Hence, that is called hour hand. Long hand tell about the minutes. Hence, that is called minute hand. If you look carefully, there are many small divisions between the numbers of clock. There are 5 equal division between any two numbers. Total number of such equal division is 60. Each division represents 1 minute. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Hands of clock is rotate in one direction, that is from left to right. This is known as clockwise direction, and hence reverse rotation is known as anticlockwise direction. One full circle of clock is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, means 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. Look at the clock. Minute hand is at 12 and hour hand is at 4. So the time is 4 o'clock. Now tell me time by looking to the clock. Here our hand on 3 and minute hand on 12. So the time is 3 o'clock. In second clock, the hour hand is on 7 and the minute hand is on 12. So the time is 7 o'clock. Now, if here we want to place hour hand and minute hand in clock, then how you will place? First, 10 o'clock. Here our hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 12, right? Now in next 2 o'clock. In that our hand is on 2 and minute hand is on 12. Now look at this clock. The hour hand is on 11 and minute hand is at 6th division from 12. So the time is 11 hours and 6 minutes. Our next topic is reading time. We just learn there is 60 minutes in 1 hour. This means there are 30 minutes in half an hour. An hour is completed when minute hand complete one full circle from 12 to 12. When it completes half circle from 12 to 6, then it means half an hour completed. When the minute hand between 12 and 6, the time is read as so many minutes past the hour. When the minute hand between 6 to 12, then the time is read as so many minutes to the next hour. For example, suppose the hour hand is at 10 and the minute hand is at 4. Between 4 and 12, there are 20 division. This means 20 minutes are completed after 10 o'clock. This time is read as 20 minutes past 10. Now consider other example. When the minute hand is between 6 and 12, the time is read as so many minutes to the next hour. For example, suppose the hour hand is at 8 and minute hand is at 9. Between 9 and 12, there are 15 division. This means after 15 minutes, it will be 9 o'clock. This time read as 15 minutes to 9. When the hour hand is on 3 and minute hand is at 6. Between 12 to 6, there are 30 division. This means 30 minutes completed after 3. That is half hour completed after 3. It is a 3:30 o'clock. This time also read as half past 3 or 30 minutes past to 3. Take another example. When the hour hand at 2 and minute hand is at 3. Between 12 and 3, there are 15 division. This means 15 minutes completed after 2. That is quarter past an hour completed after 2. It is 2:15 o'clock. This time read as quarter past 2 or 15 minutes past 2. When minute hand is between 12 and 6, that is on the right hand side of clock, we say time as so many minutes past the hour. When minute hand between 6 to 12, that is on the left hand side of clock, then we say so many minutes to the hour. Now let's consider some more example of reading time. Reading time two ways. Here our hand is between 9 and 10 and minute hand is 32 division after 12. That is, minute hand is on left hand side between 6 to 12 of clock. So, one way to read the time is 9:32 o'clock and other way we read as 28 minute to 10. In second example, our hand is on 1 and minute hand is also on 1. That is, minute hand is on right hand side between 12 to 6 of clock. So we either read as 1 5 o'clock or we read as 5 minute past 1. Here our hand is on 5 and minute hand is on 8. This means 15 minutes completed after 5, that is quarter past hour. That read as 5:15 o'clock or 15 minutes past to 5 or quarter past 5. In another example, hour hand on 8 and minute hand on 9. That is, between 9 and 12, there are 15 division. This means after 15 minutes, it will be 8 o'clock. This time read as 7:45 o'clock or quarter to 8 or 15 minutes to 8. Here we match the timing. First 10:45, that is our hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 9. It means after 15 minutes it will be 11 o'clock. That means minute hand on left hand side, that is quarter to 11. Next 10:15, that is our hand is on 10 and minute hand is on 3. It means 15 minutes completed after 10. That means minute hand on right hand side, that is quarter past 10. Next 7:20. Hour hand is on 7 and minute hand is on 4. It means 20 minutes completed after 7. That is minute hand on right hand side. It means 20 minutes past 7. Next 7:40. Hour hand is on 7 and minute hand is on 8. It means after 20 minutes it will be 8 o'clock. That means minute hand on left hand side. That is 20 minutes to 8. Last is 9:30. That is hour hand is on 9 and minute hand is on 6. It means 30 minutes completed after 9. That is minute hand on half of the clock. That is half past 9. For detailed study of time, must watch our all video related to time. Links are given in description box. Time part 1 covered. Read the time and distinguish between past the hour and to the hour. Time part 2 covered AM and PM. Time part 3 covered 24-hour clock. Time part 4 covered addition and subtraction of two time. Time part 5 covered day, week, month and year. So keep watching video on Smart Start Learning Live and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Good day, keep smiling and take care.